Hi, I'm Andi Barney, Master Technician and owner of Sewing Doc and Sewing Doc Academy. It's time for another update on our progress with the Sewing Doc Academy. We've already launched the live classes at the Sewing Doc Academy headquarters in Marietta, Georgia, which has been very successful. We've had 15 graduates already of some of our other classes, and classes will resume in January of 2019. So please check the sewingdocacademy.com website for upcoming class dates as they come available. While live classes are continuing to grow, we are also focusing on filming and the launch of our online classes, which is very exciting for me. This is such a big part of our focus for 2019, and we want everyone to have access to sewing machine service and repair training. So we are launching the first online workshop this year, which is the Singer Featherweight Service Workshop, on or before January 20th, so about 4 weeks from now. Between now and January 1st, we're offering a deeply discounted rate for those that purchase this workshop. It's a fully comprehensive workshop, which means we teach you the exact same procedures we use in a Sewing Doc professional service shop. This has been our most popular class by far in the live classes, and I'm so excited to bring it to homes around the world. It's probably my most frequent email is, when is this happening? So head on over to the online workshop page to sign up while the sale lasts. It's endless supply. Also in January, we're going to launch the How to Use Your Featherweight workshop, which is going to be absolutely free, $0. So this class is going to walk you through how to set up and get started on your featherweight, talk about feet and accessories, and troubleshooting matters. So a lot of common issues, inserting the needle properly, the way you insert the bobbin, things that trip people up all the time. So the vintage machine cleaning class will launch next, which is a high value class on how to clean and lubricate vintage and antique machines. Most old machines don't really need more than this. So if you have a large collection or you intend to learn how to bring machines back to life for others, you're really going to want this class. It is the first step in learning to professionally service machines as well, and it is a prerequisite for the advanced live classes. So if you want to come in and take live classes here in Marietta and want to learn all the way through professional service, that's going to be your starting point. From there, we'll get into the heavy lifting on the vintage machine service workshop, which is different because it's going to cover timing, parabola, complex repairs, all the angles of old machines. Still the basis of all professional service. Motor service and rewiring for both external and potted motors, so the Singer 1591, the Singer 201, serger and overlock cleaning and service, embroidery machine service, mid and long arm service coming next year, and all modern machine service will follow, I swear, as fast as we can release them. So we have it all coming. We recently announced another program through Sewing Doc Academy, and that is called the Remove Your Covers series. We are so excited about this. If you haven't already, click on the link to take you to the Remove Your Covers page and learn more about this money-saving and actually time-saving program we have coming your way. I think that's going to be the biggest thing of 2019 for us. So this program will teach you to clean and lubricate your modern machines yourself, meaning you only have to see a service professional if something is truly wrong. So can you imagine the time and money and frustration this is going to save, especially if you don't have a service person in your area? If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our newsletter in the form below so we can send you additional savings and keep you updated on the release of all our classes. I promise you, I do not have time to send you spam email, and I will never sell your information to a third party. So we're only going to send you the good stuff, like tips and tricks from the Know Better Sew Better series, workshop launches, and sales and deals. So are you ready to join us in saving one machine at a time?